Thank you so much, so much. I'm thankful to you and Professor Kulkarni, Professor Aluwalia, and all the esteemed colleagues. First of all, about the multiple choices in education or multidisciplinary approach, my emphasis is that physics itself is a highly multidisciplinary subject, and it is for the teacher to point out how it is going from earth to sky and from astronomy, astrophysics to technologies. This is one point. But as you said correctly, these days I am concerned with the slashing of syllabi, as pointed out by Professor Alwalia. You see, reducing the syllabus has taken place essentially in two ways. Normally, people feel that due to COVID 19 and due to new education policy 2020, the syllabi have been reduced by 30%. Okay, fine. That was after 2019, said 20. But just in 2018-19, there was a reduction in the syllabi of NCERT, CBSE, and accordingly in the state level boards also. They were reduced without any justification, without any reason. So my study is twofold. Part 1, phase 1, syllabi reduced before COVID and NEP. And that syllabus reduction included a topic such as communication system. I am communicating to you. I have a transmitter, there is a channel, there is a receiver, and this is so fundamental in this world. Every student knows about the communication system when he or she has the mobile phone. Communication system, chapter 15, 12th standard physics, gone. And transistor, it's an innovative idea to introduce a small base region in the PN junction, and it worked wonders. Transistor has been removed, no need. That was done prior to our NEP, that is NEP and the COVID-19, right? Afterwards, some more topics have been removed. Right now, for example, radioactivity. There might be periodic table. There might be radioactive elements. There might be uses in chemistry, biology. Who cares? Who cares? It is removed. So, my dear friends, very humbly, these days I am focusing on these two phases of course reduction, and then ultimately, is it due to the fact that learning is a burden? What is burden of learning? Can we define it? Can we say that this topic is a burden for learning and this is not a burden? These are the issues. These are the issues. And we have to first focus on what exactly is the point we have in mind. If the topics were removed due to COVID 19, the COVID effect is almost nil in India. And therefore, we should go back to better choices, better options in our physics syllabi. And why? What is this reduction in the syllabus in the form of new education policy? Where are we leading to? Of course, you will say that there is a lot of learning, the new disciplines, new technologies are coming up, and therefore we have to accommodate all these new topics, AI and robotics and whatnot, and therefore reduce physics and introduce other things. Now, this is a very moot question. Can we remove fundamentals and introduce technologies? What will it lead to? I cannot say anything. I Okay, so very briefly, these are my views. I'm concerned about this, and I request all of you to have a look at this. At least reduction in this physics syllabi standard, standard 12, and finally, mathematics has been reduced to some lower level, as if mathematics is difficult. Our concern is that if the student is not so strong in mathematics, he will not be good at physics also. So there
Yes.
can be lower mathematics. Can there be lower physics? I want to ask you. Thank
Hmm.
you. Dhanyawad.
Superficial physics.
Thank you.
Yeah.